And this basically gives you the layout. 810 Bowling up on the top right over there by Pottery Barn, Barnes & Noble. And then the Grand 14 Theaters is on the right side, and then all the shops and restaurants are around. And they do have a parking garage as well. So there's lots of ample parking all the way around the perimeter. We're here at Market Commons. It is just south of the airport. And lots of shops and dining, and we've got True South here. But one of our favorite dining places is Tupelo Honey. Great food option right there. If you keep heading this way, you got Gordon Bierst. Gordon Bierst is great brewery pub, good food. A look at the menu here at Gordon Bierst. They're going to be closed Christmas Day, but they are open Christmas Eve. We've got handheld starters, salads, happy hours, kids menu, and they've got weekly specials.
$19.99 for a steak dinner.
Yeah, that's not bad at all.
12-ounce ribeye.
Cute little photo op right here outside of Dolce Loso. Luxury hair products. And Market Commons is kind of one of those live, eat, play, all communities. They've got a big open greens area there where they show movies. Across the street is Savannah's playground. Big lake and tons of ballparks. It's a great area. A lot of people like living in this area. Market Commons. We have 810 Entertainment, the eating, bowling, drinking, playing games. Full bar, and that's also here. And they do special themed nights, trivias, mind games, bands, jukebox, bingo. So if you're looking for information, there's the QR codes for 810. And right there is the Grand 14. That is the movie theater. The big parking garage is to the left rear of that. So very easy to get from the parking garage to the movie theater. That is the tree down there. And got Barnes & Noble here.
Texted me about that thing. I put her on the sleigh, and I call it Boots and Viking, and she, screwed it up, and she reminds me of it all the time.
I love it. I love boots and bikinis.
Yeah.
Have a good day. Boots and bikinis. Merry Christmas, y'all. You're in the South. Southern Times Square New Year's Eve celebration is the big event on New Year's Eve here at Market Commons. So if you're looking for something to do in the Myrtle Beach area on New Year's Eve, definitely. And it's a good, huge event. Draws a big crowd. Got a military jet flying because we're right by the airport. This area, all Market Commons, used to be part of the Air Force Base. The road over there is called Hackler. And so yeah, you see a lot of jets in this area. And if you're looking, Santa's here. Photos with Santa at the Grand 14 Plaza and some at Tupelo Honey, all the way through December 23rd.